Hello guys, welcome back to LT Education. In previous session, I have asked you one question. How the integration between OMPA happens? So it is basically happened in table SM30 through semantic group and abbreviation, and the table is T77S0. So let me say you will go to SM30. You will enter the table T77S0. And the group and semantic abbreviations are Logi. Give the group name as Logi and semantic abbreviation as Orga. And there I have to put the value abbreviation as S in order to integrate in order to on the switch between OM and PA. So basically, whatever the change you do in OM side, it will get reflected in PA, and whatever the change you done in PA side will get reflected at the OM side. If the switch is not on, the integration will not happen. Okay. So this is one of the most occurring interview question. So uh, you should remember that semantic growth and abbreviation should be plogy or and the value abbreviation should be as X. Okay, then only the integration will happen or the switch will get open. The next question for you is what is the difference between evaluation path and relationships? Okay, hope you have liked the video. uh, reply the answer of this question in the comment section of this video. Thank you. Bye.